11:23, no, 11:22:24. That's hopefully we're gonna charge this Segway ninebot. We're gonna plug in the power supply, and nothing explodes. So we figured out that this is the red, and this is the positive, this is the negative, and on the plug, if you look at it, there's a little notch. So on the left side, the bottom is black and the top is red, which is positive. On the top left, bottom left, it's negative, and the whole thing is coming out 60 volts. So let's give it a try. And since I'm going in this side, I'm gonna go behind this pot here and make the last connection. Oh, it turned red. It's flashing red. That's maybe a good sign, not sure. Oh, this thing flashed red. That's a good sign. This thing is flashing red. So it's communicating or charging. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Charging faster now. Oh, now it's a solid red. All right. That's a good sign. That means it's charging. So it's like 4:59 now. So 6 o'clock, November 22, we went live in charging. Hopefully it'll turn green when it's done. But in a little bit, it should feel warm over here. So far so good. Soon hope this thing will be rolling.